Space is incredibly far away from Earth, an astronomical distance separating us from the stars, planets, and galaxies. Most estimates would place it at approximately 100 billion kilometers away from us. Traveling to the farthest known object in the universe by any method would take an enormous amount of time, an impossible reality for any human being. While other planets may be slightly closer, they do not compare to the vastness of space in totality. Astronomers and scientists continue to develop tools to help better understand the seemingly endless universe, attempting to map stars and planets to find out how far they extend. We, as relative bystanders, cannot understand just how far away space is in comparison to Earth and its neighboring planets. One way to put it into perspective is to realize that it would take 13 months, traveling at the speed of light, to reach our closest star. An average adult would have reached the age of around 15 by the time they arrived, assuming they had set off as a 2-year-old. Of course, the speed of light is comparatively slow in the grand scheme of things. The majority of the universe's objects are far beyond the reach of such technology. It's only when we look to other elements such as cosmological expansion that we can truly appreciate the immensity of space. Speed is not the only factor that makes space so unfathomably distant. There's also the sense of scale and how vast and indeterminate it is. It's a nearly inconceivable notion that all of the declared objects we view and observe from our earthly perspective are beyond our reach. Advancements in telescopes and robotics have helped provide a clearer image of what lies beyond the boundaries of our planet, yet it's still impossible to visit the distant reaches. This further adds to the concept of space being infinitely out of range from our everyday understanding. Whether it's the Moon, Mars, or a galaxy, every celestial object appears minuscule next to the infinite space that surrounds us. All desires of exploration are halted by the sheer breadth of the universe, so incredibly far from the prying eyes of humanity. We can view the spectacle of a meteor shower or the stars at night, whilst the other planets beyond our solar system remain a mystery. Each star, each nebula, every ball of gas and dust, they are all too far away to reach and explore, beyond the capability of even our most advanced spacecrafts. We will always remain tied to the orbit of our planet, while space persists its distant course, leaving us a wonderful and mysterious artifact of celestial beauty to observe. In truth, space is really too far away for any creature of the Earth to reach, more a part of a dream than reality. There are those continuing to strive for such a distant mission, still dreaming of what could be found should we ever have the chance to explore. Perhaps we one day will be able to breach the distance to reach space, but until then, we must continue to marvel from afar at what's so far away. Its greatness is both a blessing and a curse. We can witness an indescribable beauty with the use of our devices, yet never reach it. Merely contemplating the inconceivable distance serves to demonstrate why a human mission to explore space is impossible. It's so far away. Astounding advances in astronomy and their enabling of our current understanding do deserve recognition and praise, even if their capacity to expand our knowledge can be limited.